Namaskar. My name is JBN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is how media convergence affect journalism. यानी कि मीडिया कन्वर्जेंस जो है वह पत्रकारिता को किस तरह से अफेक्ट कर रहा है। इससे पहले हम जान चुके हैं कि कन्वर्जेंस क्या है। आज हम बात करेंगे कि कन्वर्जेंस की वजह से पत्रकारिता में किस तरह के बदलाव हो रहे हैं, उसमें किस तरह के नई चीज़ें सामने आ रही हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम जान लेते हैं कि हाउ मीडिया कन्वर्जेंस अफेक्ट जर्नलिज्म। फर्स्टली, हाउ हैज़ मीडिया कन्वर्जेंस एंड द स्विच to the use of so much technology affected the production and distribution of news. At first, the newspaper magazine industry reputed poorly, and to me a major part of the cause of their steep decline has been in part their own inaction and lack of preparation for the future. A predicted future which they themselves had reported and covered. Rather than embrace the future, I think many newspaper or media groups expected the new technology to be a temporary inconvenience and things would soon go back to the past. Slightly changed model. Technology was offering change, but the change in consumer and advertisers' perception. The change in the use of news and how valued news would be viewed by consumer and the advertiser was also part of the convergence. Industry did not see this change, and they should have, or at least they should have started to ask questions and define their path to growth. And add the massive worldwide economic decline, and you have additional reasons to see the need to change. Many then made a move to offer free access to online editions and reductions or eliminations to traditional printed editions. They soon realized that free news was not as important since nearly all news was now free. Removing the traditional printed editions also was for some a knee-jerk reaction. Recent data indicates that the 18 to 24 age group may be moving back to printed sources. Convergence also means a planned integration of media, not a chaotic integration of media. An example of this change in gathering and distribution of news can be seen in the recent Boston bombing. Many people received news of the attack via personal or internal networks. News has become simple to gather, review, and choose. Most media groups until recently did not understand this switch. Live action videos had been available to friends before they made it to many of the networks. Technology is also part of the mix, a major part of the mix, the consumer's perception of the process accelerated the technology and adoption of the technology. Media convergence is a composed of content, communications, distribution, cloud, and the consumer. If you add the need to support the advertising model and the need to be targeted with branched content, you will start to see a greater impact of change to the industry as well. In summary, the perfect storm of media, technology, and behavioral change hit an industry in transition and nearly destroyed the vertical. Secondly, now have newspapers attempted to overcome this challenge and remain relevant with the audience? A basic rethinking of their current model, they responded to what was working and what was not working and have succeeded in adapting to the change and being prepared for future changes. Adding branded content, there are some examples. They have allowed subscribers to select their media mix, the type of stories they wish to review, and in the near future select the advertisers they wish or not to review. Newspapers are looking to technology. BBC reports a RFID embedded paper being offered across all media as well as new media such as NFC, RFID, and mobile technology being used to support future plans. Since content is a critical component of media convergence, we will start to see in the US politically directed media groups. For example, the Koch brothers, politically conservatives, are considering purchasing a bastion of liberal media, the Tribune Group. Their started plans are simple. Offer a more conservative based version of national and international news, and possibly offering the news via new media channels like ITV, Google TV, and paid internet or cable channels will only add to the convergence and hopefully growth of news distribution. Thank you.